Good morning and welcome back to Logic Links. This is your second week with Logic Links. I'm Mrs. Coulter. Good to see you. So we're going to walk through a few of these clues in order to try and solve the puzzle. Okay, so again, to review, you always want to take a look at your clues, read through them, and know what you're working with. We've changed it a little this week. We've put in shapes to go with our colors. So let's take a look at the first clue. The purple arrows each touch an orange plus and the other purple arrow. Oops, I did that again. I used the wrong. I gotta grab my. Let's erase that. Sorry, I gotta grab my finger here. I always do that. And I'm gonna grab an arrow. And the purple arrows each touch an orange plus and the other purple arrow. So let's put it there, put one there, put one there, and one there. Okay, let's just try this. Now, the orange plus is directly across from the red star. So our red star could go here because it's a cross, or it could go here. So let's put it right here. Number 3, the topmost chip is adjacent to an orange plus. So the topmost chip right here is adjacent to an orange plus. And so we don't know what the topmost chip is. We do know that adjacent means next to. So we are going to need to rotate these possibly. Okay, and make sure our red star is still across from there. Okay, the topmost chip is adjacent to and clockwise from the blue triangle. So counterclockwise goes this way. So we know that the blue triangle is probably going to need to go here. The yellow square is between the green circle and the blue triangle. So we're going to have to put adjacent to the orange plus. What do you guys think? The yellow square is between the green circle and the blue triangle. I'm going to say that the yellow square is between the green circle and the blue. I'm going to say that this looks like, okay, I think, let's read it. The purple arrows each touch an orange plus and the other purple, okay? The orange plus is directly across from the red star, so it's across from there. The topmost chip is adjacent to the orange plus. The topmost chip is adjacent to and counterclockwise. Ooh, counterclockwise from the blue triangle. So looks like we need to move these over. And then the yellow square is between the green circle and the blue triangle. Okay, there we go. Check that out. see if you think we have it right.